Since the late 1990s, Lenze's Servo Drive 9300 became a popular device at machine builders. Because of its extreme flexibility and optimal adaptation to customer requirements, it was not only used in standard applications. Special machine builders also could solve more exotic drive applications by modifying the internal signal flow by means of a graphical function block language. A classical automation topology in that times looked like this. The machine PLC controls the production process. In our example, the machine PLC is an S7 which acts as the master for the Profibus field bus system. Configuration of the Profibus DP field bus is done via the machine PLC's engineering tool. In this example, there is just one 9300 drive controller connected to the S7 PLC. The properties of each Profibus slave device are defined in the so-called GSD description file, which is imported to the Step 7 software tool. The Profibus link on Lenze's 9300 drive controller is realized by the EMF 2133 field bus module snapped on the automation interface. Within the 9300 drive controller, the interface to field bus signals was represented by the AIF function blocks. By means of flag connectors, the meaning of each control and status fit could freely be assigned by the programmer. Oh my dear, what's that? After 25 years of operation, obviously the 9300 drive controller failed and the machine stops production. Let's take a look to Lenze's offer for a replacement scenario. First, let's replace the 9300 by an i950 drive controller. Then, the i950 drive needs to be set up with Lenze's software tool PLC Designer. Let's choose the drive's motion function from Lenze's fast technology libraries to get the same behavior in motion control as the 9300 drive. In this example, we use a speed control application. In the next step, the AIF protocol conversion blocks are implemented at the interfaces of the speed control technology module. The AIF basic function even allows to keep the DPV0 parameter channel. Of course, 9300 parameter numbers and i950 indexes do not match. A parameter link list defines the correspondence between 9300 parameters and i950 indexes. It can even handle different value scalings. Programming done. Now, let's make the i950 look like the old 9300 drive by selecting a suitable compatibility mode. Amazing! Even the selection of the DriveCom protocol or Lenze's device control are considered correctly. Are we done after downloading and starting the i950 program? We are done. No programming work is necessary in the machine PLC. Why not having some pre-configured i950 drive controllers in your stock, allowing quick replacement in urgent machine fail situations? You still don't believe it? Let's take a look to our demo. We can see the machine PLC on the left, connected to the 9300 drive in operation in the middle. On the right side, the pre-configured i950 unit is ready to replace the 9300. Let's start. Unplugging the 9300 drive from Profibus and linking the Profibus to the i950 drive with an auto start option programmed in the S7 PLC allows directly to restart your machine. Let's summarize. Several of the previous Lenze series can be migrated. As the i950 is a free programmable unit, almost all 9300 functions can be realized with this drive. And the best thing, no modifications in the machine PLC program required. That's it.